Hi, I'm Susan. I've got this box I thrifted years ago, and it's ready for a new look. I started by removing the hinges and dropping them in a glass full of hot water with dish soap to soak. Please ignore the dirty dishes. This is real life here, folks. There was a hole in the box, so I filled it with spackle, and after it was dry, I sanded it and painted it with Waverly chalk paint in white. I took the cleaned hinges and screws outside and I painted it with a hammered black spray paint and let it dry. Now the box is ready to be reassembled. I attached the hinges and then I distressed the edges of the box to let a little of the original black shine through. I made this decal with my Cricut. I found this in all of the designs I use on the Cricut design space. And I just added my name to the middle of the design in a font that I liked. And I transferred the decal and I love how it turned out. Here it is. I think it's such an improvement. This Farmhouse DIY collab is hosted by Sonja of Domestic Diva DIY. There are also 3 other talented ladies participating. This collab is a hop. I will have the link to the next person in the hop listed in the description box down below, as well as Sonja's channels. After watching my video, go to the next person in the hop and watch their video. They will have a link to the next person in the hop and so on until you circle back to me. This is so much fun. There are so many ideas and inspiration to be had. My second project is amazingly simple. All I did was add jute twine to the neck of this thrifted bottle with hot glue. It shows that crafting doesn't have to be complicated and you get to add great beauty to your home. I took a lighter and I burned the little hairs of the twine to give it a more finished and clean look. I must say I really enjoyed this process. And here it is. Like I said, so simple but so pretty. And I only paid $1/4 for the bottle. A little jute twine and a flower pick from Dollar Tree and voila! For my third project, I thrifted this rooster. He made me smile. My husband named him Roy. I gave him a good cleaning with Cricut cutter and spray painted him with a hammered black spray paint. After he dried, I gave him a couple of coats of Waverly chalk paint in white. And after the chalk paint dried, I sanded the edges with sandpaper to distress. And I think Roy turned out adorable. He's so cute and funny. And the colors suit better for my home. For my fourth and final project, I took these 2 cutting boards from Dollar Tree and I gave them a couple of coats of Waverly chalk paint in white. I know they were already white, but the paint made it look a little less plastic and a little more high-end. I wrapped jute twine around the top of the handles using hot glue. Afterward, I got to play with my lighter again and burned off the jute hairs. So much fun. I made decals for each of the cutting boards and transferred the decals to the boards. And here they are. I think they are my favorite. Who would think 2 plastic cutting boards could look so high-end and cute? I love them. Farmhouse can be pretty too. And here they all are again. Which one do you like the best? I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit the like button as well as the subscribe button if you haven't. Check out my description box to find the next person in the hop. Until next time, bye. Thank you for watching.